Good morning, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our handwriting today. Today we're going to be focusing on the letter V and the letter W. They're both made very similar. All right, so remember before you start any writing, your posture needs to be nice and tall, and your feet are both planted on the ground, and you're sitting up nice and straight. That makes you the best writer you can be. All right, we're going to start with that letter V. And when we're making the letter V, you're noticing there's no straight down. These guys are slanting up and slanting down. Actually, that's in both of the letters, the V and the W. So when I start with the the V, I'm always start at the top like any of my letters that I make. I start at the top and I go big line slides down, big line slides up. Okay, you see how I did that? Did you see how I took my time to do my best work? You can't even see the line I made because I stayed on the black line so well. All right, so we're gonna start here at the dot. Ready, guys? Big line slides down, big line slides up. Okay, now we're gonna do another one. Big line slides down, big line slides up. Very nice. And again, if you notice, I'm taking my time because I want my best work. Okay, we're on the dot. Big line slides down, big line slides up. Very nice. Now I'm going to keep on going. Big line slides down, big line slides up. Here we go again. Big line slides down, big line slides up. And now I get to do this one. Whoops. Again, if you ever make a mistake, it's okay to fix it and make it correct. All right, here we go. Big line slides down, big line slides up. Do you notice I'm holding my paper? Because sometimes when I'm writing, my paper will move a little bit. So this hand kind of helps me so that my paper doesn't move so I can still do my best work. Because it's really hard with the papers moving to write beautiful. All right, now this is my turn to do my best work. Big line slides down, big line slides up. Okay, I feel really good about my letter V, so I'm going to give myself a check because I'm very proud of them. And I think I like this one the best. I think I'm most proud of this one. So make sure you circle the one you're most proud of. All right, let's take a look at our W. The W is made very similar to the V. You just make another. It's like making two of them. Okay, so when we start at the top like we always start all of our letters, and we go big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. All right, remember this is not a frog jump letter, so we don't come back to the top. All right, you have your pencil stays on your paper the whole time. Okay, all right, let's start at our dot. Big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. Okay, very good. And it helps when I say the verbiage on how to make it, because then I make it nice and slow and I remember exactly what I need to do. All right, so I'm going to trace here now. Big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. Okay. Now I'm going to this dot. Are you noticing that I did not go under the line at all with my V's or my W's? That's what you need to do. If they do, just erase and fix it. Yep, it's okay if we make a mistake. We just fix it. All right, here I go. Big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. Wonderful. All right, I'm going to keep going. Here's my tracing one. Big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. Wonderful job. All right, here we are right at the dot. The starting point, here we go. Big line slides down, big line slides up, big line slides down, big line slides up. Wonderful. All right, I'm going to scoot it a little bit over here so I can position myself properly by my paper. Okay, here we go. Big line slides down, Big line slides up. Big line slides down. Big line slides up. Wow, they are looking beautiful. I bet yours are looking beautiful as well. All right, now we're going to get to make our own. There is no dot, but we know that our letters always start at the top, okay? Here we go. Big line slides down. Big line slides up. Big line slides down. Big line slides up. Wow, I did my best work. I was slow in control, and I felt like I really did a great job. So I'm going to give myself a check. And it's kind of sometimes it's really nice when you feel like you've done such great work. It's hard to pick which one you're most proud of. But I'm going to think, I think this is the one I'm most proud of. So I'm going to circle that one. You can also color your vase for the V and your worm for W. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Wonderful begins with a W, begins with a W. All right, bye now.